As we all know, recently USA has announced the withdrawal of its troops from the soil of Afghanistan, and USA will withdraw its troops by September 20 September 11, 2021 completely. Okay, so it had been seen that after this announcement, the violence in Afghanistan has increased manifolds, and Taliban captured the three-fourths of the lands of the country. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about who are the Taliban, okay, and how these groups originates. Basically we are going to discuss about the origins of Taliban in this video and who are these people. Okay, so please keep watching this video till end, and I hope I will make you understand about this video. Okay, so I am Janki Sharan and I am making this video, so please keep watching till end. So let's get started. See here, Taliban means students, okay, in Pashto language, and these Talibans are Sunni fundamentalist organization. They are involved in the Afghanistan politics. These are the militant groups involved in an insurgency against current elected government in Afghanistan. Okay, basically these are the militant groups who are involved in insurgency against the current elected government in Afghanistan. Okay, so they controlled almost three-fourths of the area of the country between 1996 to 2021, and these groups are notorious for their strict implementation of the Islamic law or Sharia. So that was about the Taliban. Uh, so here in this slide we are going to discuss about the origins of Taliban, how they originates. So in 1978, saw revolution takes place in Afghanistan. Okay, and this revolution led to installed Communist Party in power. Okay, so government introduced many reform for modernization of government structure in Afghanistan. So after installing the Communist Party in short revolution, the elected government or the communist government introduced many reform for modernization of government structure in Afghanistan. Okay, so rural Afghan were not happy or satisfied about this modernization. So these unhappiness led to the anti-government structure protest in many areas, many rural Afghan areas. Okay, so in this case again USSR intervened in this structure and wanted to place a communist ally to government of Afghanistan, because after that, after this incident, the protest has uh, started. USSR intervened in this structure and wanted to place a communist ally. So USSR basically wanted to ally to the ruling government of Afghanistan, by which by whom people are not happy. Okay, or people are not satisfied about the modernization. Okay, in 1979 Soviet army deployed in Kabul and military coup took place. Okay, so recently in one country of one neighboring country of India, military coup happened. Okay, so if you know, then please write in comment section in which neighboring country of India has military coup happened. Okay, very recent it had take place. Okay, so so after USSR intervened, the military coup took place. Okay, so this incident led to the killing of ruling president of Afghanistan. So as I discussed earlier, that the that time the ruling president is also from the Communist Party, and here USSR also the ally of Communist Party. Okay, so after killing the elected president, Soviet installed their ally Barack Kamal as the president. Okay, so after the elected government has killed the Barack Kamal has elected as the president of uh, you, Afghanistan. Okay, so other global powers saw this incident as the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. So urban Afghanistan was ruling by Soviet troops or Soviet power, but the rural area was not under their control. So rural Afghanistan was ruled by insurgents group led by Mujahideen. Okay, so the fight happened between the Soviet troops and insurgents group. Then Mujahideen was supported by the other nations like China, USA, Iran, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, and Egypt. So these countries were supplying training and as well as the weapons to these insurgents groups. In 1989, Soviet withdrew its troops from the soil of Afghanistan. In 1989, okay, so government of Afghanistan had to fight alone against these insurgents groups after withdrawing the USSR armies or USSR troops. Okay, so insurgents controlled the country in 1992. After weakening the government of Afghanistan, the insurgents controlled the country in 1992. Okay, so after 1992, in 1994, a group of students seized control of the city of Kandahar. Okay, and started a battle of power of control in entire country. Okay, so after 1992, after controlling the country by these insurgent groups, in 1994, a group of students seized the control of the city of Kandahar, okay, and started a battle of power of control in the entire country. So this insurgents group was known by Taliban today. Okay, so this was all about today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button, and if you found it beneficial, then you can share it with your friends and family. And please write in comment section where I need to improve my skills and all. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, JK Learning Corner. Thank you so much.